This is how you can find the latest foreign exchange events or Forex events completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Same website as a previous tutorial, more or less, give or take. It's called forexfactory.com, all one word, all lowercase or caps. It's really up to you. And basically, if you were to scroll to the top of the website, as you can see here, we're under news. And well, news, you have all different news events here, ranging from all different countries. You have entertainment, different categories. You have technical analysis, educational news, Forex industry news. You have news people comment on, fundamental analysis, and even the hottest stories right here, more or less, give or take. If you go under to calendar, this is also different types of news, but this is events. You go to filter, the top right hand screen. You can filter all of these events from high impact, medium impact, and low impact, and then the event types, and click apply filter. So now we only see the highest impact news events for Forex or foreign exchange completely for free.